By Nature Gallery, and I'm about to crack open a geode.
So if you want to grab onto this and start cranking it that way. Keep going. Faster is better. It'll pop quicker. There we go. There it is. All right. So the best pace to do this is out in the sunlight. So let's take a little walk. Looks like we got sunlight over here. Alright, you ready to open her up?
Whoa.
Ooh.
Oh, that's a good one.
Very nice. Scoot over here a little bit.
Yeah, good.
There you go. That's a very nice druzy mist formation. So it's a much finer grained geode than you get out of a quartz one, and so they're much sparklier. So if you hold it up like this and rotate it a little bit, you can see how shiny they are. Good pick.
Thank you.
All right.
And what was your name?
I'm Skylar.
Okay, Skylar, thank you.
Of course.
Bye.